Yeah, cut that fucking lip, bitch.
Lip, cut it.
I don't want to hear that lip.
Okay, I'm coming through with the motherfucking lip. You better fucking cut that lip, cause I don't
Cut
wanna
that
fucking
lip.
hear that motherfucking shit. See, understand I'm in the fucking dumb man. See, cut that lip. Don't wanna fucking hear it, cause I might have to kill you. I swear it, I might have to kill you. Let 'em know what's up with the motherfucking lip.
Yep. It's the P-boy in here with the CT with the mohead making that fucking bread. I don't want to hear that lip, I just want my green. I'm a fucking fiend. I want that shit quick. I want that, gonna be so high. I need that Kushak, that fucking dro has me on something else. I'm going through, gonna hit up the homies, gonna come to the dealer, get my fucking green too. Read it in an hour or fucking two. So tell him about that lip, homie. I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna fucking hear it.
Okay. Cut it like hair. Cut that motherfucking lip, cause I don't wanna hear it. It's like fucking all these young fools talking that shit. I'm in fucking outer space. Leave me alone, come in my bubble. I'm gonna fucking cut your lip.
Cut that lip.
Lip.
Cut
That's
that
all
lip.
I fucking hear. Lip. I don't wanna hear that jibber jabber. See, fool.
I'm talking English, not fucking Spanish. Understand me, cause I'm thinking English. I'm coming through, I'm like old English. I'm chilling on the back of your fucking tattoo. I'm gonna come fucking beat you with a bat too, and fucking leave you all fucking splat too.
Really?
I play baseball all my life and I'm going hard. I'll fucking stab you with a knife cause I'm going crazy. Cause the fucking government has me on some shit. Going to court soon, gonna see what's up. Might be a fucking goon. I'm gonna chill, maybe take a pill tonight.
See, P-boy, I think you're gonna get locked up cause you got possession, homie. What the hell were you holding? Drugs, cause they caught you. Yes, indeed, you need a fucking warrant. Cause you need to run, cause it ain't no fucking fun being locked up. Cause these motherfucking rat traps ain't working. We gotta extinguish them, kill them with my poison. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna fucking shoot him.
Cut that lip, bitch.